Hello students, welcome back. Today we will take our chapter 12 हीरोन्स फार्मूला। हीरोन्स फार्मूला के देखिए यूटिलिटी क्या है। इससे पहले अभी हमने ट्रायंगल्स के एरियाज निकालने के लिए नॉर्मली क्या पढ़ा हुआ था, हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट फॉर अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, फॉर एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल √3/4 साइड स्क्वायर। अभी हीरोन्स फार्मूला एक ऐसा फार्मूला है जो अभी हम किसी भी टाइप के ट्रायंगल में यूज कर सकते हैं और ट्रायंगल की एरिया को निकाल सकते हैं। देखिए नॉर्मली हीरोन्स फार्मूला में क्या होता है, इसमें एक बेसिक कंसेप्ट को पहले हम देख लेते हैं। सपोज एक कोई ट्रायंगल दिया हुआ है ए बी सी, ए बी और सी। इसमें कोई भी साइड्स दिया हुआ है, सपोज हर एक साइड्स का भी हमें लेंथ दिया होगा। नॉर्मली जो अभी हम ए लेकर के जाते हैं, ए के अपोजिट साइड ए, सी के अपोजिट साइड सी और बी के अपोजिट साइड बी। इस तरह से अभी हम क्या करते हैं, डिफरेंट साइड्स को लेकर के जाते हैं। तो अभी हमें पता पेरीमीटर क्या होता है, पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल, पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द साइड्स ए प्लस बी प्लस सी। सो सिमिलरली व्हाट विल बी द सेमी पेरीमीटर, so semi perimeter will be the half of the perimeter, so this will be a plus b plus c by 2. Semi perimeter is indicated by s, so this is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. तो किसी भी ट्रायंगल का अगर साइड्स दिया रहेगा तो हम सेमी पेरीमीटर इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। नाउ कमिंग टू द एरिया, सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल this is given by, so what is the Heron's formula now? So this is s times s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So where s is the semi perimeter and a is this side, bc जो भी दिया होगा that will be the a, again s is the semi perimeter and b is this side ac and c is this side ab. So this is the formula used. So with this formula we will try to find out different answers. So now coming with the question number 1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is in the form of an equilateral triangle with the side A. So suppose this is a traffic signal, this is in the form of an equilateral triangle A, B, C and each side is equals to the A units. Find the area of the signal board using the Heron's formula if its perimeter is 180 centimeter. So perimeter of triangle, this is equals to 180 centimeter. Therefore we can find semi perimeter. Semi perimeter will be 180 by 2, so this will be 90 centimeters. So now if the side is given A, what can be the perimeter? So perimeter of triangle ABC, this is given as A plus A plus A, or we can straightway write semi perimeter. So this will be a plus a, means sum of the sides by 2, or s will be equals to 3a by 2. Now using the Heron's formula, so area of triangle ABC will be equals to, this will be equals to s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So this is equals to, now s is given as 3a by 2 and s is over here, this is now 3a by 2 minus a, again 3a by 2 minus a, and here also 3a by 2 minus a. This is root times. So this is equals to now 3a by 2 as it is, 3a, so here LCM will be 2, Now see that how much it will be. This will be 3a by 2 minus a. Make it by 1. So this is now 2. So this will be 3a minus 2a. So simply this is a by 2. So everywhere we will get a by 2. And again here also this will be a by 2. And similarly a by 2. Now we can solve. So this will be 3a into a into a into a divided by 2 into 2 into 2. So pairing up a and a. So this will be now a square and within bracket it will be root 3 and here it will be now 4. So this is the area. So root 3 by 4a square. So area of triangle, this is equals to now root 3 by 4. So we can find area of triangle is equals to, so side will be equals to 60 centimeter. So this will be now root 3 by 4 a square means this will be 60 whole square. So we can find area of triangle is equals to root 3 by 4 into 3600. So we got area of triangle is equals to 4 9 ja. So this is 900 or simply 900 root 3 centimeter square. So we got the area of the triangle as 900 root 3 centimeter square. So now coming to question number 2. The triangular side of the walls of the flyover have been used for the advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122, 22 and 120 meters. The advertisement yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Now a company had one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So now this is one of the triangular shape given to us. Here it is 122 meters and this is 22 meters and this is 120 meters. So this is now given. Suppose if we take up A, B and C. So semi perimeter S will be equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So S will be equals to 122 plus second side we can take a 22 plus 120 divided by 2. So this will be equals to, this is 4, 6 and 264 by 2. So this is 132 meters. So we got S as 132. So area of triangle will be equals to, using the Heron's formula for this. So this will be S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is the formula. Now S we have already got, this is 132. And S is 132 minus A we can take up 122 and S is 132 minus B is 22 and C 132 minus 120. नाउ सी यार यहाँ पे अभी हम किसी भी साइड को ए बी या सी ले सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ फिक्स नहीं है किस साइड को ए लेना किसको बी किसको सी, आप किसी को भी ए बी और सी ले सकते हो. नाउ दिस इज 132 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, दिस इज 10. नाउ दिस विल बी 110 एंड दिस वुड बी नाउ 12. तो अभी इसमें क्या करते हैं, इसके हम फैक्टर कर लेते हैं हर एक किसी के. अभी देखिए इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, 132 के फैक्टर करते हैं. 132 को लिखा, सो 2 से किया 2 6 जा 12 और 2 6 जा 12, नाउ 2 से किया 33, 3 से किया तो 11 एंड 11 से किया तो 1। सो अभी इसके फैक्टर्स को लिख लेते हैं, कितना आया, दिस इज नाउ 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 11, 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 11, ये 132 के फैक्टर हो गए। 10 के लिखिए कितना जाएगा, 2 इंटू 5, 110 के 2 इंटू 5 इंटू 11, और 12 के 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3, ये सारे फैक्टर्स आ गए। अब हम क्या करेंगे, सारे फैक्टर्स को एक साथ लिख लेते हैं। 2 इंटू 2, ये दोनों 2 एक साथ आ गए, इंटू नाउ दिस 2, और उसके बाद फिर ये 2 और ये दोनों 2। अभी काउंट कर लेते हैं सारे 2, 1 2 देन 3 4 5 6, so 1 2 3 4 5 6। now coming to the next digit, this is 3 into 3 into this 3, now 5 is coming 2 times, so this is 5 into 5, and 11 is coming 2 times, so this is 11 into 11। so सारे नंबर्स को अभी हमने क्या किया, लोएस्ट फैक्टर्स में रख लिया। उसके बाद में अभी हम क्या करेंगे, पेयर बनाएंगे इनके। ये पेयर्स बना दिए हमने, सारे नंबर्स पेयर में। तो पेयर में तो अभी क्या करेंगे, एक एक को बाहर ले लेंगे। 1 यहाँ से एक 2 आ गया, यहाँ से भी एक 2 आ गया, यहाँ से भी एक 2 आ गया, इधर एक 3 आ गया, और लास्ट में से 5 एंड 11। इन सब का अभी हम क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे। सो विल गेट दिस इज 1320 मीटर स्क्वायर। सो नाउ दिस इज द एरिया वी गॉट। Now we need to find out the cost. So cost for 3 months. So cost of advertisement. So cost of advertisement, this is rupees 5000 per meter square. So this is 5000 into 1320. So this is for per meter square per year. So we'll divide it by 12. So this will be now for 1 month, and into 3. So this will give us for 3 months. So on calculation, we'll get this 165 and 40 rupees. So this is now the cost of advertisement. So now coming to question number 3. There is a slide in the park, and one of its side walls has been painted in some color with the message "Keep the park green and clean." See figure 12.10. If the slide of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meters, find the area of the painted with the color. So this is a park side given to us. So this is now 6 meters, and this is 11 meters, and this side is 15 meters. It is given to us. Now we need to find out the area of this. So first of all, we will find the semi perimeter. S will be A plus B plus C by 2. We can write here A equals to 11 meters and B as 15 meters and C as 6 meters, suppose. So S will be equals to 11 plus 15 plus 6 divided by 2. So this will give us, now this is 32 by 2. So this is 16 meters. So we got S as 16 meters. Now we'll find the area. So area will be equals to, we'll use the Heron's formula, S times S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So we'll put this values now. S is 16, so this is 16 times 16 minus A is 11, then again 16 minus B, B is 15, and again this is 16 minus C, C is 6. So we will calculate this. This is 16 into 16 minus 11. This is 5 into 16 minus 15, this is 1 into 16 minus 6 is 10. So now we will factorize all this. So this will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5, and this is now root. So taking the pairs from this, so this will be now, and this will be again 5 into 5 will be another pair, or first of all it will be better if you can rearrange them. So this will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So making the pairs now, 2 is left. So this is 2 into 2 into 5, and this 2 is left unpaired, so it will be within the square roots. So this is now 20 root 2, this is meter, so area is in the meter square. So we got area equals to 20 root 2 meter squares. Now coming to question number 4. Find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So we'll find the third side. Suppose this is a triangle now, and 18 centimeter, suppose this is 10 centimeter given to us, and this is suppose x centimeter. So perimeter is already given to us. We will find this side, unknown side x. So x plus 18 plus 10, this is equals to the perimeter. Perimeter is 42. So x will be equals to 42 minus 28. So we got x equals to, so x will be equals to now 14 centimeter. So we got the third side. Now we can write here a equals to, suppose a is 14 centimeter and b is 18 centimeter and c is 10 centimeter. So we'll find s. This is a plus b plus c by 2. So a is 14 plus 18 plus 10 by 2. So we can get this. Now s will be equals to, adding this all divided by 2. So this will be 21 centimeter. So we got s. Now area will be equals to, using the Heron's formula. So this will be s times s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So this is now formula. Now we will substitute these values in it. So s is now 21. So this is 21 times s, 21 minus a. A we have taken 14. So this is 14. Now again 21 minus b, b is 18. Again 21 minus c, c is 10. Now we will find out this value. This is 21 as it is. 21 minus 14, this is 7. So we can remove this bracket straight, we can write the values. So this is 7 into 21 minus 18, this is 3, and 21 minus 10, so this is now 11. एक चीज़ ध्यान रखिएगा, यहाँ पे जब भी हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे सारी वैल्यूज यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव ही आएंगी, कोई निगेटिव वैल्यू नहीं आएगी. अगर निगेटिव वैल्यू आएगी इसका मतलब हमने कहीं पे मिस्टेक किया हुआ है. तो सारी वैल्यूज क्या आएंगी यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद में जो भी आएगी सारी पॉजिटिव आएंगी. कोई भी ऐसा नहीं होगा कि ग्रेटर माइनस स्मॉलर, सारा ग्रेटर माइनस स्मॉलर ही होगा, स्मॉलर माइनस ग्रेटर नहीं होगा, निगेटिव वैल्यू नहीं आ सकती. अब हम इसके सबके फैक्टराइज कर लेते हैं. सो दिस विल बी नाउ 3 इंटू 7 इंटू 7. नाउ ये 3 को भी अभी हम आगे शिफ्ट कर लेते हैं, दिस इज 3 एंड इंटू 11. नाउ वी विल सिंपली मेक द पेयर्स. ये पेयर हो गया, ये हो गया 11 एज इट इज. सो दिस इज नाउ 3 इंटू 7 and 11 in the root. So this will be 21 root 11 times. So this is now area. So we got the area as 21 root 11 times. This is centimeter square. Now coming to question number 5th. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio. Ratio is already given. So let the common ratio of sides is x. So this will be now 12x plus 17x plus 25x. This is equals to perimeter given to us 540. So now sum of all this will be 54x will be 540, therefore x will be equals to 10. X we got 10, therefore a will be equals to, a we can take as a 12x, so this will be now 12 into 10 means 120 centimeters. Similarly b can be calculated as 17x, so this is 17 into 10, 170 centimeter. Similarly c is 25x, so 25 equals to 25 into 10, 250 centimeters. So we got a, b and c. Now we will find out the perimeter, semi perimeter. S equals to a plus b plus c by 2. So this will be equals to a is 120 plus b is 170 plus 250. This is divided by 2. So now this semi perimeter we can calculate. So here this will be now again 540 by 2. So this is 270 centimeters. So we got the semi perimeter as 270 centimeters. Now we will find the area. So area will be equals to, we can put these values into the Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So area equals to now S is 270 minus A is 120, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 250. So we will put this value, this is 270 into, this will be 150 into, now this will be 100 into, this will be 20. So now we can write down the factors for it. So 270 के factors से अगर निकालते हैं, so this will be 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 5, then 3 3 4 जा 12, then 3 5 जा 15, then 3, so again it will be 15 times and again 5. Sorry, this will be again 3 times, so 3 5 ja and 5 1. So we got 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So these are the factors for 270. So 270 की जो भी factors आए गए उनको यहाँ पे लिख लिया, into we'll find the factors for 150. 2 times, this is 75, then again 3 times 25, then this will be 5 and 5. So this is 2 3 5 5, 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, then into, now 100 we can find out. So for 100 we can calculate over here. So 2 से 50, 2 25, then again this will be 5 and 5. So this is 2 into 2, 5 into 5, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now write for 20. So this will be 2 into 2 into 5. Now we'll summarize all these factors. So same जो factors हैं उनको एक साथ लिख लेते हैं. Now this is 2 कितनी बार आया, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is now 6 times 2 into 3 now, 1 2 3 4 times. So this is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 4 times. Then coming to the 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So this is now 6 times. Now we will make the PS for it. So this is now 2 2 2 2, and this is 3 3 5 5 5. Now we will take up, this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. So all this product will be equals to, we can product and can find out. So this is 9000 centimeter square. So this is now area for us. So now coming to question number 6. An isosceles triangle has the perimeter of 30 centimeter and each of the equal side is 12. Suppose this is an isosceles triangle. Each of the equal side is given 12 and 12 centimeter. So this is now side x. So we can find out the x. So x plus 12, this is equals to 30 centimeter. So x will be equals to 30 minus 24. So we got x as 6 centimeters. So now we can write down the sides. So a equals to suppose 12 centimeter and b equals to also 12 centimeter and c is equals to 6 centimeter. So we can find out semi perimeter. Semi perimeter will be a plus b plus c by 2. So this is now 12 plus 6 by 2. So this will be equals to 15 centimeter. Now we can find out the area. So area will be equals to, now use the Heron's formula, s times s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So area will be equals to s. Semi perimeter is already known. So this is 15 times 15 minus a is 12. So we'll write 12, then again 15 minus 12 and again 15 minus 6 because c is 6. Now we'll find this area, will simplify. So this is 15 into 3 into 3 into 9. So you can simplify. This is 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this we got. Now this will be equals to 3 is 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3. So this is now 3 into this is 5. We'll make the pairs. So this is 3 into 3 and within bracket this will be 3 into 5 because unpaired will be within this square root. So this will be 9 root 15 centimeter square. So we got area equals to 9 root 15 centimeter square. So with this we have finished our exercise 12.1. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.